Hey guys, we've just passed National Nest Box Week and there are lots of nest box options on the market, and I wanted to tell you about a few of those today. They can give you that helping hand to make local birds feel at home in your garden. Actually, there's quite a few options though. I want to help you make the right decision on which nest box you're going to buy. So here I'm reviewing 3 different types of boxes that you can get from CJ Wildlife. CJ Wildlife is a UK-based wildlife product retailer offering a huge selection of nest boxes, bird foods, feeders, and more products for a wide range of species, even hedgehogs. And it's a great place to kit out your wildlife-friendly garden. So, the first box is the Funchal Lounge Roosting Nest Box. This is best for small birds like great tits, blue tits, pied flycatchers, tree sparrows and house sparrows, thanks to this very small entrance hole. It's made from a lightweight rattan, which means it's easily camouflaged when you place it amongst sheltered bushes. Not only will it look great amongst a blanket of ivy, for example, but it will also be better protected from predators when camouflaged. Doesn't that look cool? The teardrop shape also creates plenty of space inside for small birds to thrive. Oh, I hope they nest in there soon. It's beautiful and a practical refuge from the elements. Next up, I've got the National Trust Robin and Wren Nest Box. As the name suggests, this is great for robins and wrens thanks to the size and the shape. It features a fairly wide opening at the front, which is sheltered by a mini green roof. Best of all, the bottom of the box opens up via a catch, making it easy to clean out after each nesting season. Make sure to clean out your box annually to help prevent the spread of any disease. Finally, I've got the Stafford half-open nest box. This one is ideal for slightly larger birds like pied wagtails and blackbirds. Though it might seem too open, some birds actually prefer this style and it's much more accessible for them to get in and out of. It's designed with wood which has been thermally modified, significantly improving the durability of the nest box. This also makes the appearance quite unique. Look at the attractive flame surface when paired with that black roof. Kinda cool, huh? All in all, this is a smart bird box to have in your garden. So, which one will you pick to make a cozy home for birds in your garden? You can find out all about these nest boxes at birdfood.co.uk or look up CJ Wildlife on social media.